There is a good news for all those people who like to take drone videos from Tesla's Gigafactories and help us to bring Gigafactory construction news through the Torque News channel and their channels. Elon Musk supports fans draw footage of Tesla Gigafactory construction. Tesla's factories of the future have stirred up a lot of interest, and today Tesla CEO Elon Musk weighed in on whether Tesla enthusiasts should fly drones over Tesla Gigafactories currently in construction or they should not, and there is a stipulation. Welcome back, dear friends. This is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. If you are here first time, please subscribe to our channel, ring the bell so you don't miss my next Tesla story if you would like to receive daily Tesla news. Torque News Tesla reporter Guillaume Humber has covered a very interesting story at TorqueNews.com under the Tesla category, discussing Elon Musk's today's tweet about whether drone operators should fly drones over Gigafactory Texas. Guillaume writes that when it comes to staying up to date with the latest Tesla Gigafactory construction, most fans and reporters turn to drone footage from good-willing individuals and Tesla supporters. Many have come to appreciate the regular footage of Gigafactory Shanghai from Jason Young, SHA, on Twitter, the footage provided for our Torque News YouTube channel by Jürgen, who tweets at GF for Tesla, by Tobias, by Albrecht, by Tesla Git Grunheide. Now we are starting to see people cover the construction of Terrafactory Texas, but yesterday Twitter username AJ Turville tweeted out mentioning Elon Musk and asking for help because one of the Tesla enthusiasts filming with a drone at Tesla Giga Texas was issued a warning by site security asking him to cease filming. This is interesting because our friend Joe Techtmeyer, who also sends us videos, in fact I had another video reported today about Giga Texas construction foundation doubling size. Joe hasn't reported any problems. Joe, if you are hearing this report, could you please say if you have experienced any problems with the Giga Texas security for flying your drone, or you may have been flying it from a distance? So apparently the security threatened to press charges against this Twitter user against him if he continued flying his drone over the facility. Elon was quick to reply that he was fine with reasonable drone footage and that it just needed to be at a fair distance and not coming right up to the people. You have to respect people's privacy. This is also true for Europe, and our European German Giga supporters from Giga Berlin keep these rules. Elon also continued his tweet saying that in this case he thought the security was a little overzealous. The drone operator in question can be followed on Twitter and with the handle at PeterDog15. So our friend Alex says Giga Texas, who tweets at AJ Turville, says Giga Texas drone videographer PeterDog15 is being told by site security to stop filming the construction site. Can you help Elon Musk? And Elon literally tweeted this: I'm fine with reasonable drone footage, just needs to be at a fair distance and not coming right up to people. I think our security was a little overzealous in this case. So understandably, Tesla is having a little more concerns with security in its facilities since a few days ago an employee in Nevada was offered $1 million by a foreign tourist if he injected malware into the Tesla vehicle fleet. Technically, Tesla does not own the airspace above the factories, so it remains unclear if Tesla has the authority to ban people flying drones above the facility. It would have to ask an FAA if it could apply restrictions on flight over the factories. Although I personally respect Tesla privacy and the privacy of all the people who work at the factory, so let's just abide by the rules that Elon Musk said. Especially the man is not against drone operators flying their drones. Just keeps little distance, and everybody will be happy. The reporters, in the media, and also this is free advertising for Tesla as well. So drone footage is something that not only benefits Tesla fans and news reporters, but also the company itself. Other automakers seeing the astonishing speed at which construction occurs at Tesla Giga Texas, Giga Berlin, Giga Shanghai will be impressed. In this way, it serves as an advertisement for the Gigafactory product, Tesla cars. In fact, next year at Giga Berlin, the first Model Y electric crossover will roll off the assembly. Made in China electric crossover Model Y will be roll off the assembly later in few months, the pilot project, as I reported yesterday. So these things all impress people, and they're thinking about Tesla. They see Tesla in their news and news feed, and they're impressed by all of these developments and speed and changing, transforming toward renewable and renewable energy. Construction using pre-assembled parts and starting to build before even having it fully approved is also revolutionary, which is the case at Giga Shanghai, and I think Tesla is using that at Giga Texas, at least with the foundation. What has also been impressive is Tesla's speed of adaptation. Ecological concerns involving the number of concrete pilings at Giga Berlin that reached groundwater were solved in a matter of days. So this is very good of Tesla. Nevertheless, it is important to remember that workers may not be overjoyed with the prospect of being filmed and having the constant buzzing of drones around their work area. They already work long hours in the summer heat, and they may also want to have a bit of privacy, and this should be respected. Being constantly surveyed is something that can be stressful for some people. Drone footage, as Elon Musk said, is great at a fair distance, but filming needs to be done respectfully. Do you agree with this? I think this is something that we reasonable people can agree with this, and I don't see any problems with this. Now, in the meantime, Tesla has been very transparent. The fact that Elon Musk doesn't mind filming the whole construction progress, documenting the whole construction progress of Gigafactories, also means that Tesla has nothing to hide. Tesla is building these Gigafactories ethically and are trying to inconvenience locals as little as possible. It is trying to do the opposite, make it locations look like attractive to future employees and locals. We have seen this positive impact with, for example, the naming of Tesla Straße or English Tesla Street near Giga Berlin. Elon has already hinted at other attractive places at Gigafactories, such as Boardwalk for people to come with families and be open to the public at Giga Texas, for example. The Torque News team is very thankful towards all these passionate drone operators, without whom our job would be a lot harder. So thank you all our friends, Jürgen, Albrecht, Tobias, Joe, and other people whom I don't remember now, please forgive me, but we appreciate every tip you're sending, every image, every video you're providing to share with our community. It has been very beneficial to us since they enable us to stay on top of the latest developments in each Tesla location and create our content, whether it is here in Berlin or Shanghai or Texas or wherever Tesla is building electric vehicles. So let me know, friends, what do you think about these developments and what do you think about Elon's position? I find it very reasonable. I hope you too. In the meantime, this is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. Please let's like this video to show our appreciation of all these drone operators who have been sending this information as a tribute to their, as a gratitude to them. And please subscribe to our channel if you would like to receive daily Tesla news, and ring the bell not to miss any Tesla or electric vehicle story provided by TorqueNews.com. Have a wonderful rest of the day, and see you soon in our next report, in which I'm going to discuss Tesla Energy and how it can be complement to Tesla vehicle business. See you soon, friends.